In this guide, I'll show you how to download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. Super easy and fast. And if you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is basically go ahead and open up WhatsApp exactly like how I've just done right here, right now. And you're going to want to go in the chat menu and make sure you, of course, have chats to be backed up. Once you've done that, you're going to press on the bottom right hand corner, which says you. And you guys are going to go to this bit where it will say all these different options. And then you guys are going to want to locate chats. Click on chats. And then from here, you're going to want to go onto chat backup. And then guys, if it does say the option, I know if you're on Android, it doesn't have it on iPhone yet. You're going to click on like a Google account or sign into Google account. You're going to do it. Sign into your account and you'll be able to back up. If not, you want auto backup on daily, and then you want to include videos, and then you just press basically backup now. So you can click on backup now and it'll back it up. And then you're just going to want to basically go off that, and then you're going to basically remove it, uninstall it once that's done. Okay. And like I said, you can do it through Google Drive if it comes up as an option through your Google account, and then you go back on the App Store or the Play Store and then download WhatsApp again. Okay, so you just press download WhatsApp Messenger like this, and then it's going to download. And then guys, basically there's a secret trick. So to do it, the backup from WhatsApp from Google Drive with the chats, you're going to open it. Okay, you're going to press agree and continue, press continue again. Okay, go through the setup, enter in your phone number, and then it's going to basically say once you've done it to back it up. So yeah guys, that is about it. Subscribe, drop a like.